The original RMS Titanic of 1912 was primarily designed to transport passengers from the UK to America and back. She was a method of continental transport and not a floating resort for holidaymakers. Ocean liners, of course, predated aeroplanes that could fly long haul. The Titanic's maiden voyage was planned to take 7 nights, leaving Southampton on the 10th of April 1912 and arriving at Manhattan on the 17th of April. Of course, tragically, she never arrived. The fact that a transatlantic journey took many days, the ocean liners which could achieve the crossing the fastest, were admired and were the most popular with passengers, although luxury and comfort was also a big consideration. However, the RMS Titanic's maximum speed was average for the period. It was said that White Star Line chairman Bruce Ismay preferred to compete on size, economics, and luxury rather than speed. Clive Palmer's replica Titanic will not have steam engines, but modern diesel-electric propulsion. She will have a maximum speed of 24 knots, or 27.6 miles per hour, which is the same as the original Titanic. In contrast, Cunard's Queen Mary II, the only modern ocean liner, can achieve 30-plus knots. This is 34.5 miles per hour. The fastest ocean liner in history was the SS United States, built for the United States Line. She entered service in 1952 and broke the eastbound transatlantic speed record by more than 10 hours, with an average speed of 36 knots. Her crossing took just 3 days and 10 hours. She won the coveted Blue Ribbon Trophy for this achievement. Sadly, the SS United States has been rusting away in layup since 1969. However, her fate has now been decided. Sadly, the SS United States will be scuttled to become an artificial reef. She will be sunk off the coast of America, providing a refuge for marine life and a destination for divers. Both the Norwegian Cruise Line and later Crystal Cruises explored the possibilities of returning the SS United States back to service. It was Crystal Cruises who produced these renderings. However, the task proved too expensive for either cruise line to attempt. Titanic II will be a very impressive achievement, but she will not be breaking any transatlantic speed records.